guys, here we are back at HammerTech Racecars. I'm in here on a Saturday, going to do another video for you guys. We've had a lot of buzz about our videos so far, so I wanted to keep that mojo going and keep that information out for you guys to see. Before I get started on the new product I'm going to show today, I wanted to introduce myself and a little bit about our company. So my name is Tony Durhammer. I've been the owner of HammerTech Racecars since 2018. Before that, I worked on drag race teams from Antron Brown, Steve Torrance, Brittany Force, the Rapisarda guys that we set the world record with Larry Dixon in Australia. Way back when, I was just a welder, started out building the funny cars and top fuel chassis for 90% of the guys out there back then. Now they do a lot of that stuff in-house per team, so the companies that used to do that sort of thing don't really have as many teams feeding that operation anymore. But along the way, I learned a couple things about the innovation and products that help you get to that level. If you're not in the cutting edge and leading technology going into the next season, you're going to get left in the dust. So that's one thing we try to focus on here, whether it's our customer builds that we got going on. We're trying to keep these guys up to date on safety and performance and looks and all this stuff to keep them happy, but also to help drive our company. We want to be known as the guys that are going to push past what's going on right now. We want to focus on the future. So with that being said, we focus a lot of our effort on getting these products out the door to you guys so you can be on the cutting edge yourself and basically annihilate this competition. So we're hoping that we can help you guys do that, and if we do, help us back. If we help you, help us. Give us a share, give us a like, tell your friend, whatever it is. If it helps them, it helps us. So we're out here to help you guys win races and be cool and be safe and do the thing that you love, because this is what we love, is helping you guys. So one of our new products that we're coming out with is a dual purpose. So I know we talk a lot about nitrous, and I'm going to mix it up today, and we're actually going to talk about more nitrous, but we've got a new water injection system coming that I'm waiting on a couple parts, and it's going to be one of these new things I think everybody's going to love. So we made this product that will do nitrous or water injection, or you could use it for basically anything that you want to use to distribute cleanly on your car or truck or boat or whatever it might be. It doesn't have to be racing. It could be, you could run this thing on anything, your lawnmower, it doesn't matter. So what we came up with, this is a 6061 billet aluminum distribution rail. What we designed it for was the nitrous setup 5 years ago. And like I've had videos about our new nitrous cannon. The cannon actually has replaced this, but what we came up with was keeping this and using it for our water injection system, just because of ease of installation. You don't have 50 lines running all over the place. Some of the features about this is it's a -6 inlet, so it's not an 8th pipe, so you're not limited to your -3 line that's 136 thousandths of orifice feeding it. So once you get to 136s, that's all you could flow through our competitors' products. So what we wanted to do was, like always, we want to go big. We want to have you guys have our product for a long time, not have to buy over and over and over again, have 3 of these things on your car. So what we made was a -6 inlet on both sides. So the through bore is -6 thread, so it's super big thread. On the outside of it, we've got 7 ports on the top and 3 on the side, or whichever way you want to put it. So the reason we went with 7 on the front was the purpose that we built it for initially was 24 valve Cummins, which has 7 intake runners instead of 6 for a 6-cylinder. So the reason we did that was so we had 1 line to each jet on each port. Now, why is there 3 on the top? Well, 3 on the top, I'll let you on a little secret on these 2 here in a minute, but the middle one we use for this guy. So if you want to monitor pressure inside of this, you can screw this on and screw your sensor right into the end of it, and then you can monitor the pressure inside the rail. Now the threads on this, a lot of guys will do 1/8 pipe thread. 1/8 pipe thread has its place on a race car. I don't think it has very much place. So these are all -3 ORB thread. The reason we went with -3 is we want you guys to be able to use this for years and years and years. 1/8 pipe stuff, if you have any, use of it, you know that once you put it in and you take it back out, the next time you put it in, it's going to be a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. And eventually you get to where you're all the way bottomed out in your thread, and what do? You insert it, you throw it away, get another one. What do you do? So we wanted to make it to where you guys can keep this basically forever. So we made them all -3 ORB. Along with our line set, the crimped end is a -3 ORB. So this is all Brown & Miller stuff. It's all high quality, all stainless steel. Very, very nice stuff. That's an 1/8 pipe female, so you can screw your sensor right into it. Keep your sensor off of the harmonics of everything. Help your sensor live. We make these hoses that you can go from 1/8 pipe to 1/8 pipe, -3 to 1/8 pipe, or -3 ORB to 1/8 pipe. So if you need something like that, or if you got a buddy that says, hey man, I wish I had this side of thing, let us know. We can make basically any combination that you can think of. So once you have this mounted, which we've got these nice built aluminum rails, all this stuff is made in the USA. We're not dealing with any junk. So you take a 1/4-20 Allen head bolt. You can mount this to the side of your intake, which looks cool. You got all your lines running up kind of spider webbed to your intake, or you can mount it to the side of your block and hide everything. You can mount it to your frame rail. It just makes it really easy to mount. You can rotate it however you want to orient anything. So we've made this line set, which will go with Jeremy Wagler's competition aluminum intake. So that you've got your -3 ORB to your nitrous jet or your water injection nozzle that's coming soon. And all these are oriented and clocked. They work perfectly. They look great. I'll put a video or a picture up at the end of the video showing what all this stuff looks like installed. It looks super, super killer. Plus, makes it super easy to work on. So when you feed this, you can use your big, huge NX 375 solenoids, which we sell a ton of these things. They're awesome, awesome products. And you can do your -6 adapter, which, by the way, if you don't want to run a -6 inlet, this will actually take our MegaJet adapter as well. So you can screw this on directly to the rail, if that's how you want to do it. And you can see how clean it looks once you get all this stuff put together, mounted up on the side with just your lines going to your jets. So it cleans up a ton of stuff. You can have, a monster kit. You can have 2 progressive kits if you want to run. Say you have 7 50 jets in your intake, and you want to run one system early in the run, and you think, man, I wish I could have nitrous from 2 seconds on. Just turn the other side on. Then you get more flow up to those jets. So a key feature that we found was if you come out of the purge side and just daisy chain another solenoid to it, like that, then you can go in the top. This is the secret that I was going to show you guys. So I've got these adapters. I also have these to where you can put a nitrous jet in them. So you just run another line to here, and this is your new spool up, basically a purge, whatever you want to use it for. So while you're running this during spool up, it's purging your big kit, and you can do it on both sides. That's why we put 3 on the top, which makes it super clean, super cool, easy to mess with, everything all in one spot. You got your lines running, you have your -8 line with your electrical, makes it just super, super clean. Looks awesome. So if you think this is something that can help you out, help a buddy out, you know, tell them about it. Give us a like, give us a share, whatever it takes to get these things out there. We've got plenty of them in stock. I've actually sold some before I even made this video, so you guys are wanting them bad, and I'm doing my best to get my stuff out to you. So hopefully it can fix some of the problems. If you got, you know, another issue that you think this will solve, let us know. I mean, we want to see these things on whatever. You can put this on your lawnmower if it's got, you know, a fertilizer distribution. I don't care what. Like, let us know what you're using this for. Give us a like, give us a share. Like always, we appreciate this support, and thanks for watching.